Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm making some more pizza. Yep, more pizza. And I'm going to use this fancy new stuff. This is Cup Noodles Breakfast. It's time for breakfast pizza. And these came by way of James of Lakeside, California. Thank you, man. It's really appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, gonna make pizza. Let's do it. Alright, so we have a pie. This pizza, the crust, I added a ton of the Nissin Breakfast Cup Noodles hot sauce that they sent in the press kit. That's directly in the crust. And then I laid it down, added some maple syrup, also from the press kit. Added almost two full cups of the breakfast cup noodles, and then a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese, and then some 100% maple syrup that I had on hand. And this looks like it's going to be a moist, crazy thing. So here, wow, it's sticky. Look at that. I'm curious. Let's give it a try. Whoa. It's pretty good. Wow. It almost tastes eggy because the way the cheese and the noodles interact, it kind of has like an egg effect. You can definitely taste a little bit of that hot sauce in the crust. The maple syrup as a base worked well too. It's weird. This tastes like breakfast pizza. Honestly, this is really good. I'm quite fond of this. But it's some of the stickiest stuff I've ever made. Well, if you're ever thinking of making, I guess you can go to Walmart, get some of the cup noodles, make some pizza with it. It's not bad. It probably would be even better with some, maybe some scrambled egg and some sausage with it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.